Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm a designer here at Queensberry. You've uploaded your images and now want to share the gallery with your clients. This tutorial will show you how easy it is to share a gallery via email and social media. So in the back end of Workspace, we want to open up that event. And here we're going to click the share button. In main services, you can share on either Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, or Facebook. And what's awesome is you can schedule in a future date and time that you want to share this gallery. So if you just click here, you can choose pretty much any time and date that you want. Perfect. You can also share on Pinterest, like that, and also with Google+. And if we go to share by email, this is super easy. All you need to do is type in the email address here and an optional message. Perfect, and click share. Your clients will then receive an email like this. Before sending the email, make sure you check the privacy settings. If it's set as public or semi-private, no password will be included in the email. If it's private, a password will be included like this. Also, if you have enabled download entire collection in your attached price list, the 4-digit PIN will be included like this here. So I'm going to click view images and I'm going to enter in the collection password, log in. Great, and that's the gallery ready for your clients to view. Thanks for watching.